See, this is the question number 7 that comes in the NEET 2026. This question is from the nuclear physics or modern physics in 12th class, where it is saying that the uranium 238 is converted into a thorium 234 and producing a helium. So ultimately, you have to find the value of heat release in this process. So in this case, you have to find the delta M. Delta M means mass defect. Delta M means mass defect, and then you have to apply the formula E equal to delta mc square. That will give your energy. So the thing is, I will find the delta M. So delta M, find to find the delta M, first find the total mass of reactant. So total mass of reactant. Total mass of a reactant will be how much? 238 238.050 U and uh, and total mass of product is 234.043 plus 4.003. That will be 238.046. So delta M will be reactant minus product. So 238.050 U minus 238.046. That will be 0.04. So E equal to, after applying this formula, since this is in U, so U and C square, all these value is converted into a this much format already given in your questions. So you have to just multiply 0.004 into 931.5 mega electronic volt. After calculating this, it will see this is in mega electronic volt, but you have to find in kilo electronic volt. उसको हमेशा ध्यान रखिए कि पूछ के आ रहा है वो। ये जब आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे, इसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ये आपका आ जाएगा 3726 इन किलो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोल्ट. So option 1 will be your answer.